Hey, welcome to my office. You know, it's that time of year again, and I wanted to take a moment to personally invite you to our exclusive 2025 Economic Summit. This isn't just another boring economic update. We're bringing in the one and only Elliot Eisenberg, who is an internationally renowned economist who takes a very large subject and breaks it down into bite-sized pieces. And interwoven in those bite-sized pieces is a little bit of humor and some history to go with it. So here is Elliot's invitation to you.
Hi, this is Elliot Eisenberg, cordially inviting you to attend the 2025 Economic Summit on February 6th. Choose your favorite time and see me. And I'll be talking about the economy, interest rates, housing, and more housing. I look forward to seeing you on the 6th.
Go over to my website, carlaknighthomes.com/blog, and find the link to register. Or look in the comments if this is social media. You have until February 5th for registration. It would be great to hear any feedback, your thoughts. Was it helpful? Did you enjoy it? Did you hate it? Let me know. Have a great day.